Good morning, students. Today's topic of discussion is packing fraction of unit cell. It is also known as packing efficiency or packing density. In our previous discussion, we came across various unit cell. The simplest among them was simple cubic, face centered cubic, FCC, and body centered cubic. Okay, face centered cubic have 6 faces. Simple cubic, first of all, let us see. Here the atoms are only at the corners. This we know. In face center, the atoms are at the corners as well as at the faces of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, as well as at the corners also. If we see the one face A, B, C, D, it looks like this. Okay, so what it is saying, in the face center cubic, at the center of it, this is the center, at the intersection of the body diagonal, one atom is there. Okay, at the corner also one atom is there, like this. And this is the body face diagonal. You can see here, if you see one face, the atoms are like this: A, B, C, D. Okay, similarly, in body centered cubic, the atoms are at the corners. Very well said. And in the center of the inside body, atoms are at the corners. The room in which we are sitting, it is a cubicle in its shape. And if we go to the body diagonal, this is one is, let us A, B, C, D. It is a face. A, B, C, D is a face. And if we in the base P, Q, R and S. So if we connect AR, so AR is body diagonal. Other body diagonals are DQ, CP and yes, BS. Okay, and here in the body diagonal, this atom is there, BCC, like this. If we see A and R, the atom lies here, that is at the regular corner, and in the center of it, this is there. Okay, and if we go into detail of it, these are the lattice points, these are called lattice point. Atoms are represented as points. So actually in the simple cubic, the 4 atoms are connecting each other. This is the case. Moreover, if we say one length, the atoms are quite connected. This is the case. And unit cell ka this value is called A. And the radius of atom, this is called R. If we see here the relation between radius of atom and the edge length. What is A? Edge length. What is R? Radius. The relation is like this. In the simple cubic. Simple cubic, this one. In the face centered cubic क्या है? The AC. This AC. All the 3 atoms are connected. This is 1R. This is 2R. And this is again 1R. This is A. This is C. And AC is face diagonal. And face diagonal can be determined by Pythagoras, that is in triangle ABC. B is 90 degree. AC is diagonal. And AB equal to BC is equal to A. So Pythagoras लगा दो. Hypotenuse is here we can say in the right angle triangle. This is called hypotenuse triangle. We are taking ABC, right angle triangle. Here B is 90 degree. Okay, so divided angle equal to AC. This is called AB square plus BC square. This is equal to A square plus A square. That is AC is equal to root 2A. And also AC is equal to 4R. So root 2A is equal to how much? 4R. So A is equal to how much? 4R upon root 2. This is 2 root 2R. The relation between edge length and radius of atom in FCC is this. Similarly, in body BCC, here in triangle ACR, C is 90 degree as usual. AC and CR are sides and AR is body diagonal. Body diagonal. So body diagonal again by Pythagoras. AR is equal to AC square plus CR square. This is root 2A square plus A square square root. Then AC is equal to root 3A. Isn't it? And also AC is equal to this one 1R, 2R and 1R. AC is equal to, AR is equal to, this is AR. AR is equal to 4R. Therefore, root 3A is equal to 4R. So A is equal to 4r upon root 3.